Students, our next topic is magnetic field. The magnetic field is the space around a current carrying conductor or space around a magnet in which its magnetic effect can be experienced. Magnetic effect means force of attraction or repulsion due to magnet or force of attraction or repulsion due to current carrying conductor. In order to define magnetic field B, we derive an expression for force on a moving charge in a magnetic field. Consider a positive charge Q is moving in a magnetic field B acting along OY. Let the charge Q is moving with a velocity V. Let the angle between V and B is theta. Due to interaction between magnetic field due to moving charge, that is current, and applied magnetic field, the charge Q experience a force. Experimentally, it is found that force experienced by the moving charge is directly proportional to magnitude of charge, that is F is directly proportional to Q. Force experienced by moving charge is directly proportional to component of velocity acting perpendicular to direction of magnetic field. Now we have two components, V cos theta acting along the direction of magnetic field and V sin theta is the component acting perpendicular to direction of magnetic field. That is F is directly proportional to V sin theta. And the force experienced by moving charge is directly proportional to magnitude of applied magnetic field. F is directly proportional to B. Combining these factors, we get F is proportional to Q V sin theta into B, or F is equal to K Q V B sin theta. K is a constant of proportionality and its value is found to be 1. Therefore, F is equal to QVB sin theta. We can rewrite it as F vector modulus is equal to K QV cross B, or F vector is equal to QV cross B. Now, direction of V cross B vector gives us the direction of F vector. Now, we will find the direction of F. Now direction of force is given by right hand screw rule or right hand thumb rule. Now direction of V cross B vector is equal to direction of F vector. Now direction of V cross B is given by right hand thumb rule or right hand screw rule. If we curl the fingers of our right hand from V towards B, then direction of thumb give us direction of F vector or direction of V cross B vector. For the positive charge Q moving along V, moving with velocity V along this direction, then F will be perpendicular to the plane containing V and B directed upward. Now, if a charge minus Q is moving with velocity V along this direction, then F will be acting perpendicular to the plane containing V cross B directed downward. Therefore, that is how the direction of F is calculated. Now, the definition of B. As F is equal to QVB sin theta, if we take Q is equal to 1, V is equal to 1 and sin theta is equal to 1. Sin theta is 1 when theta is 90 degree. Then F is equal to 1 into B into 1. Therefore, B is equal to F. Therefore, magnetic field induction or magnetic flux density at a point is force experienced by unit charge moving with unit velocity perpendicular to direction of magnetic field at that point. Now the special cases. If theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to 180, then sin theta is 0. Sin 0 is 0 and sin 180 is 0. Therefore, F is equal to QVB sin theta. As sin theta is 0, therefore F is 0. This means if the charge is moving in the direction of magnetic field or in a direction opposite to magnetic field, then it experiences no force. If V is 0, then as F is equal to QVB sin theta, if we put V is equal to 0, then F becomes 0. This means if a charge is at rest in the magnetic field, then it experiences no force. If theta is 90, then sin theta is equal to sin 90 will be 1, then F is equal to QVB into 1 is equal to QVB. This will be maximum. Force experienced by a moving charge is maximum in a magnetic field if it moves in a direction perpendicular to direction of magnetic field. Now the units of magnetic field. SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla or Weber per meter square. Also from this formula we can write B is equal to F upon QV sin theta. Now the unit of force is Newton, unit of charge is ampere second, because I is equal to Q upon T, therefore Q is equal to I into T. Unit of charge is unit of current is ampere, unit of time is second, and unit of velocity is meter per second, unit of sin theta is nothing. Therefore this become second cancel second, this become Newton per ampere per meter. Also unit of force is Newton, unit of charge is Coulomb, unit of velocity is meter per second, sin theta is unitless, it is constant. Therefore this become Newton second per Coulomb per meter. If we take Q is equal to 1 Coulomb, V is equal to 1 meter per second, and theta is 90, then sin theta is equal to sin 90 is equal to 1. Then and B is equal and F is equal to 1 Newton. Then F is equal to 1 Newton, Q is 1 Coulomb, V is 1 meter per second, sin theta is equal to 1. Then B will be 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 Tesla. Magnetic field induction or magnetic flux density at a point is said to be 1 Tesla if a charge of 1 Coulomb while moving with a velocity 1 meter per second in a direction perpendicular to magnetic field experience a force of 1 Newton at that point. The CGS unit of magnetic field is Gauss. 1 Gauss is equal to 10 raised to power minus 4 Tesla. Now the dimensions of B, as B is equal to F upon QV sin theta. Dimensional formula of F is M1 L1 T minus 2. Dimensional formula of Q is 80. Dimensional formula of V is LT minus 1. Therefore this become M1 A minus 1 T minus 2.